The portal you are currently viewing is set up for a person who is renewing a mitigation certification only. At the top, you will see an expiration date underneath your name. This expiration date indicates the date that your current certification will expire or has already expired. Please note that you do have a 1-year grace period to complete your renewal once your certification officially expires. All renewal applicants will need to submit the following requirements: a signed Code of Ethics disciplinary policy form, a signed Quality Assurance Quality Control form, and continuing education credits and documentation. And if you are renewing as a residential measurement provider, then you will also need to submit Radon measurement device registrations and documentation. This requirement will not show up on your checklist if you are only renewing a residential mitigation provider certification. You will see each of these requirements listed on your certification checklist. To upload the NRPP Code of Ethics form, click on this red circle, which will bring up a box that will allow you to download the form with Adobe Acrobat. Once you download it, you can print the form, sign it, and date it at the bottom, and then scan it back in to upload it. Or if you have the digital signature capability on Adobe Acrobat, then you may sign and date it that way. You will then need to upload the document by clicking again on the red circle here and navigating to Step 2, where you can browse for the signed document on your computer. And then just click Upload and OK. The next item on the checklist is your Quality Assurance Quality Control form. This also needs to be signed and dated and uploaded the same way as the Code of Ethics form. Next is your continuing education credits and documentation. By clicking on this red circle, you will be automatically redirected to the Continuing Education tab. Here is where you will upload all of your CEs, such as course certificates and any corresponding documentation. For more information on how to upload these, please click on the video tutorial at the top of the Continuing Education tab. As stated before, if you are renewing a residential measurement provider certification, then you will have an extra requirement on your checklist, which will be Radon measurement device registrations and documentation. This is where you will register your Radon testing device and upload the required documentation. To learn more about how to register your device and upload the documents, please click on the Measurement Devices tab that you will have up here as a residential measurement provider and navigate to the how-to video at the top. After uploading all documents on the checklist, the red circles will turn yellow with a blue check mark, as you see here, and this indicates that your document has been received and is pending approval. Once we approve your documents, the yellow will disappear and you will have a solid blue check mark. Please allow up to 24 hours for these to be approved. Once you see all solid blue check marks and your photo has been submitted and approved, then you will see a payment button here at the bottom of your checklist below this blue box. The payment button will not appear until all documents and all requirements have been received and approved. By clicking on the payment button, you will be able to make your recertification payment by credit card. Please note, if you have all blue check marks but you do not see the payment button, please try refreshing or reloading the web page and it should appear.